Yo, what's great, everybody? Today's a beautiful day. It's a day we never seen before and a day we'll never ever see again. Everywhere else, I'm known as Eddy One Take, but on this channel, I am RTX Eddy. Now, if you haven't been here on this channel, then you won't know what I'm doing. So let me just briefly explain. I'm documenting my tech journey. I'm documenting my cybersecurity journey. When I make these videos, it enhances my learning experience. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today we're going to learn something and we're going to do something fun. Since today is Easter 2025, and if you're watching this video, I want to wish you a prosperous, very, very healthy and wealthy Easter 2025. Now, what is an Easter egg in cybersecurity? Let's talk about that. Okay. First thing we got to talk about is malware. And if you've never heard of malware before, it's short for malicious software. And just to keep it simple, when you think about malware, think about bad software. And this can harm your computer, break your devices. It's not good for your computer at all. And honestly, if you think about malware, think about something like a virus on your computer. It's just not good. Now, let's talk about Easter eggs. When it comes to cybersecurity, Easter eggs are just things or surprises hidden in tech. A developer will leave some type of code in, or he'll write something in the code that is like a hidden message or a hidden feature or something like that. Now, if you don't know, Google has an Easter egg, and we're going to find out what that is today in this video. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open Google. The command is do a barrel roll, and then press enter and watch what happens. So I'm going to do this with you guys because it's fun. Why wouldn't I? Okay. When we're on Google, the first thing we want to do, go to Google and type in do a barrel roll. Now, when you press enter, watch what happens. Google will do a 360 spin. Give yourself a round of applause. You just found the Easter egg for Google. So, with that being said, malware is bad. Easter eggs are always fun. Stay safe online. Thank you for watching. Happy Easter 2025. I'm super grateful to have you here. I'm super grateful to be here. And if you want more cyber tips or you want to learn while I'm learning, you're invited. Make sure you subscribe. Share this with somebody who wants to learn about cybersecurity. And I just dumb it down for myself because, like, I learned like a fifth grader. But when I get it, I got it. So if you participated, make sure you comment egg in the comment section. And other than that, I'm out. I'm going back to hacking.